Gosh, I don't know how I feel about these. Okay, well, welcome to Kaylin and Emma's channel. Today we are doing quick. I can't read. Okay, well, there's a happy kid on it. Can we put this on our face? It's non-toxic and it's wishing. Okay, let's get started. So, I got Panda Journal and okay, next page. So, unveiling time. So, I think it just has it. But yeah, click open at the top. I've never actually used this before. This is like, I don't like it. Okay, this is much better. Tremble or it's backwards down. Okay. I think I'm gonna start off blue. Get it out with one hand. Okay. There. I've never used these before. It's a crayon. That's kind of cool, actually. Okay. Next color. I'm not going to the next color. I'm going to see how they can blend. I got my white paper. I'm going to do it right above. Swick sticks. Okay. Oh, thick boy. I really like it. I like that. Okay. We're gonna go with orange now. Orange. This one's not a stick. These are not very good with blending, but they are really good at just staying their color. So look. I didn't mess the red up at all. Okay. Let me finish it. Okay, so I finished my rainbow. They don't really blend. I don't like it. Some of them are thick and some aren't thick. It does kind of look like watercolors though. Look at how it like is into this sense. It feels rubbery. Let's see. Did it? Wait. I can't see anything. Oh wait. You can see a little bit of color, but that's really good for that thick. Looks like a super thick layer. I'm impressed. I'm impressed. Okay, so with my black now, I'm gonna so K W. I always add an extra like down or I K S T I X. I'm gonna give it an 8 out of 10 because they don't really blend very well, but they do not leak. On to the next paper. It randomly stopped, so I didn't know where it was. So I wrote down the name. I can't read it though. That's an X, by the way. Then I gave it an 8 out of 10. It looks backwards on camera though, but it's not. There. No, I don't think that works either. Okay, I really like this product. I'm gonna use it more in the future. I'm excited about it. It has this. Go buy your, yeah.